Losing a loved one is painful. Navigating their estate shouldn't add to that grief. In South Dakota, the Small Estate Affidavit offers a simplified path forward. A small estate affidavit is a legal document that allows the transfer of personal property without formal probate. It provides a quicker, more streamlined path for smaller estates. To qualify in South Dakota, the estate's total value must be under $100,000 after liens. You must wait 30 days after the death to file. Also, there can be no appointed personal representative and no debt owed to South Dakota Social Services. Gather the death certificate and fill out the Small Estate Affidavit form. Have it notarized, then present it to the institution holding the deceased's assets. Once verified, the assets are transferred. Note that real estate under $50,000 requires a separate affidavit. This affidavit saves time and avoids probate, but remember, it's exclusively for smaller, simpler estates. Thank you for watching our guide on South Dakota's Small Estate Affidavit. We hope this helps you navigate a difficult time. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Remember, this is not legal advice. Always consult an attorney and find local probate courts at probateus.com.